So hello guys, back to my video and that's what I'm on how to be an Ambedkar. Okay, you all sketch will be Bruce took 200 JSON, give me a service paper by using Artline Graphite pencil. And ये है एक time lapse video in order tutorial video. So I hope you have इसे एक time lapse video की नजर.
So अब इस वीडियो को फटाफट से स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के.
Lose won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
एंड जिस चीज़ का पाउडर बाहर ना निकले सबसे पहले मास्क में टेप लगा लेंगे.